In our company, everything starts with our foundational product, Super Blue-Green Algae, and the Upper Klamath Lake ecosystem where it all flourishes. Blessed with over 300 days of sunshine a year, surrounded by mineral-rich volcanic soils, and fed continuously by pristine rivers, mountain streams, and bubbling cold water springs, Upper Klamath Lake is a nutrient-rich aquatic garden which allows this unique food source, Aphanizomenon aqua, or AFA, which we call Super Blue-Green Algae, to reach its healthiest potentials. No wonder it's been identified as one of the world's most important superfoods. It's capable of helping us to reach our greatest health potentials too. And all we have to do is consume a few capsules every day.
We believe that our Super Blue-Green Algae, because of the environment where it grows, and because of the meticulous care with which we harvest it and process it and bring it to your door, is the most vital, most energizing, most nutrient-rich organic superfood in the marketplace today. It's the best, and its inclusion in most of our other nutritional products is the most important reason why our products truly are unique and special.
Super Blue-Green Algae contains more than 60 individual nutrients, each with its own proven health benefits. This means that gram for gram, it has more nutrients than any other natural food. Biologically active vitamins, minerals and trace minerals, amino acids, simple carbohydrates, enzymes, fatty acids, and pigments like beta-carotene and chlorophyll. It is this broad spectrum and balanced synergy of naturally occurring and wild-crafted nutrients that makes organic certified Super Blue-Green Algae so unique and special.
Most foods require our body to work hard and expend energy to get at the nutrients inside. Not so Super Blue-Green Algae. The algae itself is 95% assimilable, and most of the nutrients are in forms that are directly usable by the body. This results in a cellular energy surplus that we can feel as a boost in our physical energy and improved mental functioning. It means that the nutrients in the algae are used to maximum metabolic efficiency, which is why relatively small amounts can have such enormous benefits. The most important benefit Super Blue-Green Algae offers is its biomodulating or natural balancing effect. Scientists have come to understand biomodulators as nutritional substances that have the ability to maintain and enhance normal metabolic functions.
Nutritional biomodulators increase the benefits of other complementary habits in our diet and lifestyle. Controlled studies involving various beneficial characteristics of Super Blue-Green Algae have been conducted in cooperation with such prestigious institutions as Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston and McGill University in Montreal, Quebec. Super Blue-Green Algae is one of the most effective biomodulating superfoods ever discovered, and this is the most important reason we add it to so many of our other products.
The biomodulating effect of the algae is its most important benefit. So let's take a minute to understand more clearly what this means. Let's imagine that every single cell in our body is like a little factory. And every one of these factories performs different jobs or makes different products depending on their location in the body. Brain cells produce different products than stomach cells, for example. But the basic mechanisms of all the various factories are pretty much the same. Nutrients flowing in, products being produced, and waste products being removed. The activities performed by all these little factories is what we call cellular metabolism. And normal cellular metabolism is the key to our health. Now, every factory has a manager, and every manager has a well-trained team of bioengineers. And everyone on this magnificent team has a set of blueprints or instructions, and this is called our DNA. And part of these instructions includes a list of very specific raw materials or nutrients needed by that particular factory to function normally and do its job correctly. When cells function normally, we feel great, and we call this health and well-being. When cells don't function normally, we feel lousy. When cells don't function normally, it's because they're not getting the nutrient raw materials they need, and they are getting too many unhelpful raw materials that they don't want or need. These unhelpful raw materials come from processed foods and junk foods and toxins in our food, water, air, and environment. So what this means, what we've learned, and what the latest science tells us is that the major reason why so many people experience so many different benefits from super blue-green algae is the broad spectrum and balanced synergy of so many important and difficult to find micronutrients in the algae constantly flowing in to all these trillions and trillions of little cellular factories. When we do our job well, we will be healthy. The choice is ours, and it really is this simple and this important. This is what we mean when we say a well-nourished body doesn't make mistakes. And this is exactly what our Simplexity Health nutrition philosophy statement refers to, that the human body is a marvelously designed living organism with the ability to grow, regulate, repair, and defend itself when given natural, premium, full-spectrum nutrition. Now, with all this as our background, let's take a closer look at some of the vital nutrients found in super blue-green algae.
Beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant and free radical inhibitor which boosts the immune system by increasing the strength of cell walls, particularly in the digestive and respiratory tracts. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll carries oxygen to our cells and helps remove cellular waste products. It's a powerful antioxidant nutrient which both builds and protects essential cellular structures. Gram for gram, no food on Earth contains more chlorophyll than super blue-green algae.
Amino acids are the building blocks of protein and make up 50% or more of the physical structure of every cell in our body. Without complete amino acids in our foods, our bodies become weak and start to break down. Super blue-green algae contains all 20 amino acids, and this is unique among food plants. Amino acids provide vital fuel and energy sources, build and maintain the health of various messenger cells called neuropeptides, and help to biomodulate emotion and mood swings. In fact, amino acids are the target of much brain-mind research. Essential fatty acids, or EFAs. Essential fatty acids are the good fats vital to the flexibility and fluidity of all cells. EFAs are required nutrients for the normal growth and repair of the skin, blood vessels, and nerve tissues. They build, maintain, and repair our cell membranes, also called cell walls. Without healthy cell membranes, none of the other miraculous activities of cells would be possible. Super blue-green algae contains EFAs belonging to both the omega-3 and omega-6 groups that we hear so much about.
Minerals and trace minerals. Without the presence of certain minerals and trace minerals in just the right amounts, many metabolic functions in the body would not work correctly. Due to modern agricultural practices, the topsoil feeding our food plants is seriously lacking in the full spectrum of these elements that once existed in abundance. The mineral-rich waters of Upper Klamath Lake provide a broad spectrum of bioavailable minerals necessary for building strong bones, activating vitamins and enzymes, strengthening cell wall structures, and providing the basis for all electrical impulses in the body. These electrical impulses regulate all muscle and heart contractions, as well as all brain and neurotransmitter activity, among many other essential metabolic activities. Vitamins. The 13 vitamins in super blue-green algae, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B12, and others, work together synergistically with the other available micronutrients to vitalize and direct all internal enzyme systems so that every metabolic activity takes place correctly, boosting the immune system, relieving tension and fatigue, improving digestion, increasing cellular energy, strengthening nerves and neurotransmitters, fighting free radicals, and improving the quality of our hair, skin, nails, teeth, and gums are just some of the benefits we receive from a balanced variety of vitamins in our foods.
The nutrients described so far are pretty familiar to most of us, and we want to remind you that no other food plant contains as many micronutrients, over 60, each with their own important benefits, as super blue-green algae. Now here are a few less well-known nutrients also found in super blue-green algae. Less well-known, but equally important. Phenolthylamine. Phenethylamine, or PEA, is a compound that exists naturally in the human central nervous system, which enhances mental clarity, concentration, and attention when found in normal concentrations. It's responsible for the feelings associated with pleasure and mental awareness.
Phycocyanin. Phycocyanin is a photosynthetic blue pigment present in all blue-green algae. Research has shown that phycocyanin has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and can protect us from free radical damage caused by oxidative stress. Polysaccharide. Super blue-green algae contains a polysaccharide or complex sugar that has been shown to be a potent activator of at least two kinds of human immune cells, monocytes and macrophages. Monocytes are a type of white blood cell that absorbs and removes waste material, unwanted microorganisms, and other foreign bodies from our bloodstream. Macrophages do the same thing outside of our bloodstream and in the spaces between our cells and connective tissues.